Hi, welcome to Swim Things Pool School. Today we will be going over how to clean your pump basket. Okay, now we're at the equipment pad. So before cleaning out your pump basket, you kind of want to be prepared. You don't want to lose prime in the pump. And so we're going to turn the pump off, but we're going to shut the valves before we do so. So we got our automation panel over here in service mode, so now we can control the pump by itself. So now we are going to turn our pump off by pressing the start-stop button. We're going to shut these 3 valves to hold the water in place right here so we don't lose prime. And then we're going to pop this lid off to get to our basket. You always want to make sure that the pump is off whenever you're removing this lid. Now we're going to put our basket back in, hole in the front. We want to make sure that the lid O-ring is still intact on the lid. Put the lid on, get it nice and secure, open up our 3 valves, and press start again. For more information or articles like this, feel free to download our Swim Things app and go to our Pool School section there.